Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we are installing, testing and reviewing a dedicated navigation screen, a Linux screen for BMW X3 F25 from CarPlay. So the guys from CarPlay have lots and lots of dedicated screens for various car models, but besides that they also have modules, LCD dashboard clusters for BMW, for Mercedes and other models. So head over to the website if you want to buy it, and if you are going to order the device, you will get a very nice detailed wiring diagram with each and every step you have to take in order to install the navigation screen. Some pry removal tools, the adapting cables. These are the main cables. I will show you in a moment how everything should fit. We also have an adaptive plastic trim which will be mounted over here. A microphone, an introduction to the Linux products. This is the screen, 12.3 inch, very nice. It's very wide, and you will see that being a Linux screen, it also powers up very fast, works very fast, is responsive and so on. And I want to say that besides the screen itself, you can also order a backup camera that will be compatible with the screen, and various other accessories that you will find on the website. So the first thing is to remove everything we need in order to get down the original navigation screen. Let's go. We have to remove this area right here. You have to be careful because most of the X3 models have this plastic, this gray trim over here. So this trim is off. This is how you take it off. It goes off like this. Once these screws are removed, we can take down the center console. There are some screws in this area right here, and then these will go off. Just like that. This is the main box we have to use. So we have these cables that have to be bypassed with these ones, and it's very important to know that these two wires, the black and the green one, have to go over here, on this area, in order to everything to work, just like that. Then we are going to connect them over here. Then we have to connect these two cables just like that. And now we have the bypass ready. And these cables, this long cable has to go up, and it needs to reach this area over here. They will go like this and like this, and we have reached this area, which is our main point to get the navigation into the right position. But it seems that we found a suitable place, and this is the suitable place, so to speak. The first thing you will notice about this CarPlay navigation system is the home screen, which will show you the speed on the left side and the engine RPM on the right side, which is a great feature that I haven't seen on other Linux screens. Of course, it comes with a bunch of key features. It instantly boots up. It starts within 3 seconds of ignition. It ensures a fast and responsive performance right when you need it. The display is a high-resolution touchscreen. It offers clear, vibrant visuals for navigation, media playback, and the rear view camera. Of course, we installed an aftermarket rear view camera and it works perfectly. Also, the parking sensors are working without any problems. The most important feature is the full screen CarPlay. or the full screen Android Auto. The connection is fast and reliable, and once you set it up and connect it for the first time with your smartphone, it will automatically open when you start the engine. Also, the system is designed to keep all the original car's sound quality. You get to use the BMW iDrive button, you get to use the steering wheel controls, and the installation, as you saw, is very simple, without any complicated setups, without having to cut some wires and stuff like that. Besides that, you will receive regular software and feature updates, ensuring your system stays up to date. So if you want to upgrade your BMW X3 or X4, the CarPlay 12.3-inch display is the best solution. Check out the link in the video description if you want to buy it. And if you have other questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and until next time, drive safe and take care. Bye bye.